QMMM down 62.33%. This is Wednesday, the 10th of September 2025, pre-market session. You shouldn't be surprised about this. I warned about such a thing happening today. This does not mean that spikes that expand massively don't contract to the next trading session, but have a look here, see where this company is incorporated. You shouldn't expect this. You shouldn't be surprised with what's going on. As things stand right now, based on the extrapolation, sorry, based on this 4 hour chart on I think of swim, and also based on the Ketla channel we have applied to this chart, the stock is still trading right outside of its Ketla channel, indicating that there's a good chance that it's going to come back. Coming back also means lower prices printing. Normally, the stock is expected to trade within a channel. If it's not volatile there, it should be trading within it. And the question is, should the stock be volatile? But surely if it gets volatile, it will naturally come back into the channel. That is what we're looking at right now. That is, it's coming back. It's not there yet. Based on the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, using the market grid from WaveTech on Trading View, the stock is within its market grid, which is a sort of price channel or market, yeah, a sort of price channel. Okay, so right now it is trading between the resistance and support zones, and there isn't any support apart from $40.31. There isn't any other support in sight. The next support in sight is 0.6150. All the other ones are severely negative. One might argue as well that he may find support at 40.31 and may rebound. I would say don't bank on that. Don't bank on that at all. So the company, yes, indicated that it was going to apply some crypto technology or blockchain technology to its operations, and that was seen as a catalyst. But however, we know that there are manipulators out there who target stocks from such jurisdictions. You really need to be really careful. You need to be really careful. There's no guarantee it's going to rebound again. You know, so regardless of the pessimism I've just expressed now, the price pressure momentum still remains robustly bullish because it has the amount of buying that took place yesterday was immense, so that even a 63% loss hasn't changed anything now. The stock is still the trend mode on the stock is still very high. Yeah, we can see here all of them, all these moving averages, also all these moving averages, their price pressure momentum values are robustly high. You can see here 133.73. The basic trend mode is 0.25. Do the maths and see. So even with a loss of 63%, it's still holding up. And as things stand right now, there is a likelihood that you know in the next couple of hours, let's just say in the next 4 hours, which is not a very long time, the stock may still hold above its 10 period moving average. This moving average is at $55.86. So the stock is currently trading at 77.98. So by midday New York time, today the 10th, there's a good chance it may still remain above that moving average, that value of 55.86. This is because of the very strong price pressure momentum value it has. That is also the case with its 21 period moving average. That moving average is at 30.37. Yeah, there's a good chance by midday today, the 10th of September, it may still be above that. However, again, you know, it is declining. And I would say expect lower prices to keep printing. And that is what the algos are saying. And it's saying it's going to remain in place. And it's expected to keep bleeding out up till Friday, the 19th of September. Here we have $9.46 by then. So if you are really keen on the stock, it's up to you. Have a look and see how you're going to play it. Let us have a look and see what some of these single minute charts are projecting in terms of upper projections. The stock is at 77.98 right now. Let's see whether we have anything. Yeah, we do have some upper projections. 83.34 not very long ago. We have here 89.72, 96.79 not long ago as well. Okay, 97.63. These may not really help as such, but you never know, it may rebound, but I wouldn't bank on that as well. We have 76.68. We have 90.82, 93.05. This is the 2-minute chart. 100.02, 130.41, 123, 122, 110, yeah, 129.58. Okay, let's have a look at the 3-minute chart. Okay, here we have 95, 95.22, 91.84, it's 6.36. Indeed, also it has the down projections. We have here 14.22. This was printed today, much earlier today, 14.22, 24.98, 42.40. So you have to be careful. Highly volatile now. Let's have a look at the 5-minute. I don't think it has a low float. Does it have a low float? Let's see. We're not sure if it does or not. 57.21 million shares. We don't exactly know if it has a low float or not. So okay, we have here today, projected today, 278.03. It was reiterated for a couple of minutes, if not a couple of hours, but that was yesterday in the post-market session. Yeah, the stock was already declining then. So currently for today, it hasn't projected. Okay, yeah, today it has indeed projected. Mind you, very, very, very deep downward projections, negative 224.94. Obviously, stocks don't trade in negative prices. However, that is referring to real fractional, sub-fractional prices. Okay. At the same time, upper projections in this for the same period also is up to $124.24. So you need to know what you're dealing with in terms of QMMM. Okay, so that's what's going on right now. Weakness is still at $62.33. It may well spike, or it may well hold against, but we really can't bank on that. Short sellers would definitely be here to make the most. They are the ones here. They are the ones behind this plunge, and yeah, they will surely remain here to pull the stock all the way down. So be very much aware of that. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video.